Every smartphone begins far from the store shelf. It starts here, with raw materials arriving from all over the world.
This is where solid aluminum blocks are transformed into the frame that holds everything together.
Each frame is cut with extreme precision, down to fractions of a millimeter.
After cutting, the frames are polished to achieve that smooth, premium finish and you feel in your hand. Sandblasting gives the frame its final texture, strong, clean, and ready for coating.
This chemical process doesn't paint the metal, it changes the surface itself to create long-lasting color.
Glass is engineered to be thin, strong, and incredibly resistant to daily damage.
Each glass panel is cut using lasers to ensure perfect size and perfect edges.
Polishing removes microscopic imperfections you'd never see, but your fingers would feel.
A smartphone display is built in layers, each one critical for brightness, color, and touch response.
This invisible layer is what allows your phone to understand every tap and swipe. The motherboard is the brain of the device, connecting every component into one system. These machines place components smaller than a grain of rice with incredible accuracy.
Wiring permanently connects every electronic part to the board.
Smartphone batteries are built for maximum energy in the smallest possible space.
Each camera module is carefully assembled to capture sharp and accurate images. These tiny components are responsible for every call, song, and video you hear, where the phone finally starts to look like a real device. Once the screen is installed, the phone becomes a complete product. Special seals protect the phone from dust, water, and everyday accidents.
The smallest parts are installed with extreme precision.
The moment the software is installed and the phone truly wakes up.
Each device goes through dozens of tests before it's approved.
Calibrated to make sure every photo looks exactly right. Are sacrificed to make sure the rest survive real life. Every device is cleaned to remove even microscopic dust.
Film keeps the screen perfect until the first time you peel it off.
The phone is packed and ready to be shipped around the world.
From here, these phones begin their journey to stores and customers.
After hundreds of steps, one simple object ends up in your pocket.